Hi, this is Lee, and it's another Foodie Friday, and tonight I am going to be demonstrating lemon pepper tilapia fillets with cornbread. And this is what I'm going to be using is the Jiffy Mix. Oh, it's backwards, isn't it? Cornbread, because we are in a hurry tonight. I usually make my cornbread from scratch. However, Summer is going to a dress rehearsal for her last dance recital of the season, and so we are in a hurry to get dinner done before we go. So I will go ahead and get started and show you what I do. I've already mixed up the batter and for the cornbread, and I'll be pouring it into the pan. Okay, so here is the batter already poured in to the pan, and I just followed the directions on the box. I will be putting it inside my toaster oven, which is over here. It's set for 400 degrees and it's to cook for about 20 minutes. If you'll remember, I use my toaster oven for baking because I am scared of my propane gas oven, since it doesn't work properly for me to feel safe with it. So I use this toaster oven. So I will set my timer for 20 minutes, and in the meantime I will get the fish ready to go. As you can see, I have the fillets in butter and olive oil mixture, and the lemon pepper is sprinkled all over the top. Now these fillets were still partially frozen, so I am probably going to give them 6 to 7 minutes on this side before I flip them over and coat the other side. Okay, so they have now been flipped and more lemon pepper has been added on top. So I will be giving them another 6 or 7 minutes, and then they'll be done. And the cornbread should be done in about 5 minutes as well. Okay, so there you have it. Lemon pepper tilapia with cornbread and a side of peas. And the whole meal only took about 25 to 30 minutes. So you have a good Friday, and we'll see you next week. Goodbye.